Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the flight offers onboard Wi-Fi and whether it's free or paid. That saves time once airborne. Next, switch your device to airplane mode immediately, then turn Wi-Fi back on so the aircraft network appears. Once the network shows in settings, select the airline SSID. You'll often see a captive portal. Make sure to have a card or account info ready, because the login page usually requires quick input before the session window begins. Once connected to the SSID, open your browser to trigger the portal and choose a plan that matches your needs. Sometimes free messaging or hourly passes are available. You'll authenticate with a code, frequent flyer login, or payment. Input details carefully because errors can lock the attempt. After access, optimize performance by closing background apps, using data-saving modes, and avoiding high bandwidth streaming. This matters because airborne links have limited bandwidth. To finish, log out or disconnect so the network frees resources for others and your device stops background syncing. If the captive portal doesn't load, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If that fails, try a different browser or clear the session by opening a private window and reloading the portal. Make sure to request a new access code if provided. If problems persist, notify a crew member or submit a support request through the airline app after landing to seek a refund or credit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.